Philippines, good news tayo. Ito talaga ay nakaka-proud dahil ang ating boys, SB19, ay na-featured sa Hollywood. Ito ang Young Hollywood. At hindi lang yan, sila ay tinaguri ang one of the most top boy band of all time sa isang Young Hollywood. Kaya namang nakaka-proud dahil isang boy band lang, first made in history in the Philippines na isang boy band, Pinoy boy band na naging one of the top hottest boy band of all time. Kasama dyan ang NSYNC, Backstreet Boys, Hanson at marami pang iba. Kasama dyan ang BTS. Kaya talaga namang nakaka-proud dahil nakuha ito. Nakuha ito ng SB19 as one of the top boy band of all time. Ayon sa isang Young Hollywood online magazine. Again, congratulations SB19 and keep up the good work.